welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Chicago. We are going to react to the song Will You Still Love Me? This is our first time single take honest reaction to this song of Chicago. Let's get started.
Your hand in mine, now and forever. Darling, here I stand before you now. Deep inside I always knew it was you. I can't go on if I'm on my own. Take me as I am, put your heart in mine, stay with me forever. 'Cause I am just a man, never understood
This is so enthralling. This is so interesting to listen to. It's romantic, it's deep, it's intense, it's heartfelt. Oh, it's so emotional listening to a song like this. You feel every line. This is exactly how every partner feels about their special someone. They exactly how they feel, exactly how I feel about Kirti. These are the words stolen right out of every person who loves someone deeply, intensely, and doesn't know how to go on without that person. It is straightforward, it is blunt, it is sincere, really sincere, and he's wearing his heart on his sleeve. He's not holding back, he's not mincing any words. He's saying it as it is. This is how I feel. Oh, this was beautiful by Chicago. The music, the vocals, everything was just extraordinary in this one. This is a masterpiece. This is a really good love song. Yeah.
It is, and Chicago have a knack of making romantic songs like these. When they make one, you feel it. You feel it. It's memorable. It's something that you would like to play again and again when it comes to romantic songs. So this was a perfect romantic song. Whether it was the piano, whether it was the vocals, blend of the vocals, different vocals that were put together for it to sound good, and the entire ambience that it created with the music, that was just perfect and highly romantic. That's what I can say about Chicago's this song. They make romantic songs sound romantic. That is what the purpose is.
Chicago, Will You Still Love Me?
Will You Still
I think
Love Me?
anyone who's watching this reaction and listening to this song with us today, I think they'll all remember this song for a long time to come.
Also,
It has all the elements, it has all the, every little thing that is required to make a love song special. This song has it all. It has it all. It is just the right length. It emphasizes the keywords beautifully and just wonderfully sung. It's so heartfelt. It's so sincere. I love singers who sing with their heart on their sleeve, wearing their heart on their sleeve, and not mincing words.
and also you're such a creepy person. When I looked at you, I thought you were crying, doing all that. And
I was a little bit. I was a little bit
and then he
teary-eyed.
gave a nasty smile.
I was a little bit teary-eyed. I didn't want to show you that I was crying.
So you smiled.
But either ways, we'll watch it in the reaction, right?
Oh, we'll check that.
Teary-eyed.
Teary-eyed.
Yeah.
You should put those drops on the thumbnail.
They are reactors who do that.
Isn't that?
Reactors,
So
actors.
the drops of tears falling out of Savio's eyes for the song of Chicago, Will You Still Love Me? What I was going to say was, on a serious note, this song also can be, such an expressive way of writing the lyrics of the song and the way it is also. And so many people are not that expressive. They just don't know how to put their emotions into words, how to tell what exactly they are feeling, how to convey what they want to convey to their partner. This would be a great choice if you don't know how to convey it and you want to, just get things across. If the feelings are the same.
Chicago, Will You Still Love Me?
Will You Still Love Me?
Yeah. And that's the name of the song and the band that has performed it.
Yeah. I was going to say YouTube, Will You Still Love Me?
I certainly enjoyed this reaction and hope there are many more such songs to come our way requested by you. We wouldn't be here without your love, support, patience and tolerance. We are a classic example on YouTube of everything that is right in a reaction video and everything that is wrong with this platform. Obviously, because of these two components, we completely get lost in the algorithm and are not favored at all on this platform, wondrous, powerful platform called YouTube. But we are still here 3 years, 4 months and counting, thanks to people like you who love our uncut, unscripted, impromptu reaction videos in all earnesty and honesty. We make them and we are highly disciplined reactors and individuals. And you realize that and you support us for being that way. While everyone else has no discipline absolutely as reactors and they fake it so often and they have scripted videos, we have stuck to our guns, we have stuck to the basics, and we are here because of people like you ultimately who appreciate that. So that's it for this one. Thank you and goodbye.